Hello and welcome to Jobs TV. My name's Matt Cook. I'm a director of a company called Kudos Recruits. Now we have a vacancy based in the West Bromwich area and we're looking for somebody who's got a valid counterbalance licence. If you live close or near the area of Hill Top in West Bromwich, then this vacancy is for you. So the hours will be 7 till 4 Monday to Thursday and 7 till 3 on a Friday. The pay rate for this vacancy is £9.50 an hour, and the vacancy is a temporary to permanent role, so after 12 weeks you will become a permanent resident of this company. This company is a growing company. It's a foundry based in the area of Hill Top in West Bromwich, and they are looking for someone to start as soon as possible. If you're interested, please call 01746 768 666 or email me, Matt, on mcook@kudosrecruits.com. Now also, if you are looking for work in the local area of West Bromwich, whether you're a forklift driver or not, and you want to make contact, please like and subscribe to our channel, because we will be pushing out more videos in the local area for other positions. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.